So in this video, I'm going to show you how to save money on unnecessary service calls, which can save you a lot of money because this thing happens a lot. We get a lot of calls about people who get stuck when their door will not close. Super easy fix, and I'm just going to go over the options. So whatever happens, you just try to press the button, it goes down a little bit and flashes. Sometimes it will not go down at all. And the reason for that, most likely, is going to be the sensors. 90% of the time it will be the sensors. There can be another reason that the door is actually jammed, like the cables came off and the door is physically cannot go down. So we're going to check the cables. They're nice and tight on the drum, unspooled. Same thing with this one. So the next step that we will do, we will check the safety sensors. So you should have two if it's a LiftMaster or anything else. One of them will have a amber LED. That's a good thing to clean it. You can see that I have a lot of cobweb, no different than any other one. And make sure that it's nice and tight, not loose. Tighten the butterfly nut right over there. Let's go to the other one. And if you look at this one, it has the LEDs off and it's kind of flashing, meaning there's no connection. So what you need to do, you just need to adjust it, make sure that it's pointing to the other sensor, tighten up the butterfly nut, and we should be good. Let's try it. And success. If you're having any other problems with your garage door, you need maintenance, installation, repair, you can give us a call at 604-313-0108. Thank you.